Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, Chef. Hello, Chef. My dish for today is mainly this dish is Mediterranean. So this is from south of France, Spain, and Italy. So this one is very famous in Europe. Okay, so my dish is in English it's beef short ribs, but I use the Italian name costata di manzo. So I have here, I serve the beef with pepper, salt, and oregano. Just I serve every corner to make it a little bit brown, but not overcooked. And then I have stir fry the rest of the ingredients, which is the herbs. And then I have parsley, celery, carrots, and red wine. So I cook this very slow for almost 2 hours. So I try my best to make this soft. And then I have the sauce here, which is the brown sauce. So that's from the boiling of the beef. So that there's the taste was in there with the sauce. And then my side dish here is the mashed potato with all-purpose milk, and then I put the Parmesan cheese for the mashed potato so that there's a taste with the European taste. So I hope you like my dish and we'll see what's your feedback. So that's all. Costata di manzo, the name of my dish.
First, the mashed potato. So, what expert mo mashed potato? In-experience ako before, may bago ako. So then, nag-view mo mashed potato, saka na mo butter mo. Then, sa inyo mas, perfect na tayo yung ano yung mashed potato. Control mo po nasa sa kalayo. Hindi ko siya sobrang kalayo, sobrang cream o butter or milk. Kaya mo. But sa ilaha siya, ano na, kuha ang hindi natin dito sa mashed potato. Kasi lang mo na mashed potato sa school.
May I always cook that. So I always use mashed potato every time.
But congrats isa tumahan ang mashed potato. Okay. Then, the beef and the sauce is delicious.
Because of the trade pack. And I cook it very slow.
Di ba, nag-worry ko na kasi dahil pa. So, normal pa siya. Kaya yung, and then yung sauce niya is reduction from so dito na lang siya nag-reduct. So, nice mo na pinipinit. Tapos, taro ba kung po nakapilaw na ito? Kasi madinidita lang yan?
Yes, sir. It's mainly Italy, Spain,
chef. So, okay, may recipe.
That recipe chef is from the